Hey everyone, thanks for watching again. We're here with Miss Linda with Engineered Floors, and they are one of the premier, not only vinyl plank manufacturers that you'll see in other videos, but carpet. Mr. Bob Shaw is here, the founder of floor covering, basically. He has really revolutionized carpet. And so I would say probably a lot of people, with the way we live, they want that little bit of fleck. They want that color to hide your stains and soiling, just everyday life. You know, we got flooring, let's live on it. What did y'all do now with this new carpet line?
What we've done is we've called it our high def carpet. And what this is just a special fiber that they use. What they've done is there's 24 actual colors in this.
24 colors. So
yes.
Standard, like if we look standard before, maybe been 4, at the most maybe 5. So adding 24 colors, what does that do for the carpet?
What it really does is, like if you have a beige wall, it will kind of turn into more like a beige. If you have a gray, it will start turning it more to gray. So this is the beauty of this product.
Kind of like the chameleon.
Yeah,
It's going to go with a lot of your colors. I love it.
Well, and the greatest thing about this is a 6-turn twist.
Okay.
The tighter the twist, the better the carpet. Normally, it's a 3 to 4-turn twist on regular carpet. So you're getting excellent
It's going to hold up well. It's not going to pack down. But I would even say for you, the homeowner, what this is going to do for you is if you have one paint color that you started with and you love your carpet, but that paint color maybe have changed a little bit, it opens up to where you can now paint and not change the carpet you love.
Exactly.
So,
and what's so good about this one too, Carson, is they have a stair warranty on this.
Oh, that's big.
And if you have a stair warranty, that means it's a good carpet, because there is not, I don't really know of another company that has residential
very hard, yes.
carpet.
And so the stair warranties is the stair traffic. Most manufacturers will void the stairs on your wear warranties because it is just, your stairs are getting beat and trampled on all the time. You took it one step further. You made the color to where it's a chameleon, goes with anything. Totally blew that out of the park with your color choices and the amount of color, but you gave it strength with that twist rate.
Exactly.
So the twist rate is the more twist, think of a spring, the more twist you have, the bouncier it is. So that fiber wants to stand up straight and make it hold up, and that's what allows you to give that stair warranty.
And also, Carson, what's good about this product, it doesn't break the bank.
That's right.
Bob has come out and he has really given us good pricing on this. So I really
Oh yeah, you're one of our favorites.
I encourage everybody to come by and take
Definitely.
a look, because you have the quality, you have the stair warranty, and you have the 6-turn twist.
So just remember, when you're out there looking at floor covering, remember Engineered Floors, Dreamweaver. They're also under the name Dreamweaver. Remember that name, check them out. Wonderful stuff. You've got the technology on the vinyl plank side. You've got the technology on the carpet side. Y'all are really setting that pace for everybody to follow. Great job. If y'all got any other questions, let us know. Go to Engineered Flooring's website, ask us questions. We'd love to hear from you. Thank y'all.